Hi everyone. Today I got another Pete the cat, but it's Pete the kitty this time. It's so cute. And it's called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Let's read. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Wait. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." This is Grumpy Toad. That's Pete. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Fell down. Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Well, he's singing. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Looks so cute. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. I love this picture. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. He's singing again. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. See? Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. Looking at the clock. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. I hope you enjoyed the book, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!